Thanks for joining me. I'm Corel Painter Master Rutten. In this course, I will guide you through all of the important tools and features found in Corel Painter 2021. I'll also share many of the digital painting tricks and techniques I have learned throughout my career. In addition to familiarizing yourself with Painter's essential content and features, you'll also learn fundamental illustration skills that you can use to create art like a pro. The goals for this course are for you to become more confident using Corel Painter, and for you to feel more comfortable making art on a computer. You'll discover the various types of brushes while learning how to paint with each category. You'll learn how to modify brush properties to create your own custom brushes. You'll learn how to use the important features and tools in Corel Painter. You'll learn how to customize the Corel Painter interface to best suit your needs. And we'll go through a real-world digital art workflow from beginning to end so you can put all of the skills you have learned together to create a finished product. By the end of this course, you will have developed a strong foundation that you can build upon with my other courses, which go more in depth into specific painting subjects. During this course, we will be working with several template files I have created to help demonstrate brushes, tools, and other features. You can load these templates into Painter and follow along with me. Now, if you're a beginner, I know digital painting in Corel Painter can feel intimidating at first. But don't fear, because I'm going to break everything down into small sections that you will be able to easily follow. You can purchase this course from my website at aaronrutten.com. I'll put a link in the video description.